If you cannot find and fix missing sync issues folder in Outlook, this video shows you how to restore it immediately. The sync issues folder hides when Outlook switches default view modes, masking hidden folder communication errors. First, open Outlook and press Ctrl+6 on your keyboard to force the view mode into full folder list display, instantly revealing hidden subfolders. If that initial step does not clear the error, the problem usually stems deeper in system layout configurations, which brings us to method 2. Close Outlook, press Windows key +R, type outlook.x/resetnavpane and press enter to rebuild your navigation panel layout completely. If the folder remains missing after resetting, corrupt temporary cached Exchange files are likely blocking the directory update. Open the Run dialog box again, type %localhost/Microsoft/Outlook, locate the offline cache storage and delete the temporary data files to force a clean server sync. Finally, if corrupt system files still prevent access, navigate to Windows Control Panel, select Programs and Features, right-click Microsoft 365, choose Modify, and select Quick Repair to fix broken background registry pathways completely.